Good morning, all. Today we are going to see Ayurveda's immunity boosting measures for self care during COVID 19 crisis. In the wake of the COVID 19 outbreak, entire mankind across the globe is suffering. Enhancing the body's natural defense system plays an important role in maintaining optimal health. We all know that prevention is better than cure. While there is no medicine for COVID 19 as of now, it will be good to take preventive measures which boost our immunity in these times. Ayurveda, being the science of life, propagates the gifts of nature is in maintaining healthy and happy living. Ayurveda's extensive knowledge based on preventive cares derives from the concept of dincharya, daily regimes, and ritucharya, seasonal regimes to maintain healthy life. It is a plant based science. The simplicity of awareness about oneself and the harmony each individual can achieve by uplifting and maintaining his or her immunity is emphasized across Ayurveda's classical scripture. Ministry of Ayush recommends the following self-care guidelines for preventing health measures and boosting immunity with special reference to respiratory health. These are supported by Ayurvedic literature and scientific publication. So there are some recommended measures. So first, general measures. What is general measures? Drink water throughout the day. Daily practice of yogasana, pranayam and meditation for at least 30 minutes as advised by Ministry of Ayush. Spices like haldi, jeera, dhania and lasun recommended in cooking. There are 2 to 3 Ayurvedic immunity promoting measures. First is take Chavanprash 10 gram in the morning. Diabetic should take sugar-free Chavanprash. Second is drink herbal tea and other like kadha made from tulsi, dalchini, kali mirchi, suntha and munakka once or twice a day. Add jaggery and or fresh lemon juice to your taste if needed. Third is golden milk. Half teaspoon haldi powder in the 150 ml hot water once or twice a day. Simple Ayurvedic procedures they have given here. First is nasal application. Apply sesame oil, coconut oil or ghee in both the nostril in the morning and evening. Second is oil pulling therapy. Take a 1 tablespoon sesame or coconut oil in the mouth. Do not drink. Swish in the mouth for 2 to 3 minutes and spit it off followed by warm water rinse. This can be done once or twice in a day. So there are some precautions during dry cough or sore throat. Steam inhalation with fresh pudina leaves or ajwain can be practiced once in a day. Second is lavang. Powder mixed with the natural sugar or honey can be taken 2 to 3 times a day in case of cough or throat irritation. Third is means these measures generally treat normal dry cough and sore throats. However, it is best to consult doctor symptoms if you find in you. Finally, the above measures can be followed to the extent possible as per the individual's convenience. These measures are recommended by following eminent Vedyas from across the countries as they may possibly boost an individual's immunity against the infection. Finally, please keep this in as a note. The above advisory does not claim to be treated for COVID-19. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you like our video, please like and subscribe our channel. It will help us to make more knowledgeable videos. Please do take care of yourself and your family. Thank you so much.